NordVPN is definitely one of the best VPNs that we've reviewed, but it's always important to double check and make sure they don't lower their standards. There are three main categories to focus on. Number one is privacy. As long as NordVPN continues to uphold their strict no logs policy and refuse to share any information with government agencies, they can still be trusted. NordVPN is located in Panama, which is outside of the 14 ICE countries, which means they don't have to share your data with anyone. Number two is security. How safe and secure is your data from cybercriminals? Remember, nothing is foolproof, so we always recommend you encrypt your files, keep a strong password, and always activate the kill switch to prevent DNS leaks. Finally, there is pricing. This has always been a strong point for Nord, as they offer cheap prices on most of their plans. Always check WizCase to make sure you're getting the best deals. And if you're not completely satisfied, NordVPN offers a 30-day money-back guarantee.